Have you ever wondered how chemists know exactly how much of a reactant is needed for a reaction? This puzzle unravels through a branch of chemistry called stoichiometry. Stoikiometry is the science of calculating the quantitative relationships between reactants and products in a chemical reaction. It is based on several laws, including the law of conservation of mass, the law of constant proportion, and the law of multiple proportions. It also leverages concepts like moles, molar mass, concentration, and ideal gases. To understand stoichiometry, one must become familiar with several formulas. Suppose you want to calculate the number of moles of a substance. The formula used is N equals m over m. Here, N represents the number of moles. M stands for the mass of the substance, and m is the molar mass of the substance. If you wish to calculate the molar mass of a substance, the formula used is m equals the sum of n underscore I times a underscore I, where m represents the molar mass. N underscore IE is the number of atoms of the ith element, and I underscore IE is the relative atomic mass of the ith element. To calculate the molar concentration of a solution, the formula used is C equals N over V. In this formula, C represents the molar concentration and stands for the number of moles of the solute, and V is the volume of the solution. To calculate the percentage mass of an element in a compound, use the formula percentage equals N times A over M times 100%. Here, N is the number of atoms of the element, A is the relative atomic mass of the element, and M is the molar mass of the compound. And when it comes to balancing chemical reaction equations, remember to write the molecular formulas of the reactants and products involved in the reaction. Balance the number of atoms of each element on both sides of the reaction using coefficients. Ensure the coefficients are the smallest possible whole numbers, and ensure that the number of moles, mass, and electric charge on both sides of the reaction are equal. Stoichiometry is a powerful tool in chemistry. It provides chemists with the information they need about the amounts of different elements involved in a chemical reaction, whether they are in the form of gas, solid, or liquid. It's essential for balancing chemical equations and determining the composition of compounds. In summary, stoichiometry is the study of the quantitative relationships between reactants and products in a chemical reaction. It relies on several laws and concepts, and employs a range of formulas to calculate the number of moles, molar mass, molar concentration, percentage mass of an element in a compound, and to balance chemical reactions. Its importance in chemistry cannot be overstated, as it provides valuable information about the amounts of different elements involved in a reaction, and helps in balancing chemical equations and determining compound compositions.